How to install Google Play Store on Android. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to be talking about how you can install Google Play Store on your Android device. Now let's just jump right in. Installing Google Play Store is not a big deal on your Android device since most of the devices come with Google Play Store built in on your phone. So if you are not able to find Google Play Store, then that probably means that you have accidentally deleted or disabled the app. So even if I go to my search icon to search for apps and search for Play Store, I can only find Play Games and other stuff over here, and there is no Play Store. Now, in order to find Play Store, you need to check the list of apps you have on your device. So what you can do is open up your settings, scroll all the way to the bottom until you find apps, and then tap on it. Once you are on the app section, you need to go to the Play Store section. So just go ahead and scroll down and find Google Play Store. And as you can see here under Google Play, I don't have Play Store available here. There is only Google Play service available. And right below that, you have Google Play Store. And right besides it, you can see the disabled label. So what I can do is tap on it. And since I have accidentally disabled the Google Play Store, I was not able to see it on my home screen. What you can do is tap on the enable button down below. And now you have successfully brought back your Google Play Store on your device. So if I go to my app drawer, I'm able to find Play Store over here. I can bring it on my home screen. And that's basically it. If you found the video helpful, like the video down below and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.